we're back here sa junction. And Baker, here we go!
USA! United States of America!
Charon.
It's very matarik na here. So I'm pretty sure itong mga kasama ko, umpisa na yan ang kanilang paghihirap. Kumustahin natin sila. Hi! Hello, hello! Hello, madlang people! At mainit, pero yung snow behind us, mainit at lamig, pinaghalo. Daan na lang natin sa tawa, guys. Mahirap pang bundok, okay? At talaga namang nasusulit siya kaagad, guys. Kasi it turned out na naging dalawang trail kami ngayon. Kulang pa yung hiking namin going to Chin Lake. Kaya pupunta kami ngayon sa ridge. At ito lang naman yung nakikita kong mga tao na bumababa behind me. So ito yung lalakarin namin, guys, going down and going up dyan sa may ice cap. So tara na! Ano pa ang hinihintay? Let's go! Until there, hanggang doon sa may tuktok, sa may needle, sa may ridge, sa may snow. And yeah, it's good, but it's hot kasi uncovered siya, walang trees. So whatever, but the view is nice. So let's go and check it out. Guys, mukhang pagod na po itong mga kasama ko. Kasi para lang siyang flat pero oh my gosh, nakakahingal. How's the feeling, guys? Tired? Climbing. Slightly fine.
And it was amazing? Yeah, it was so amazing. There was something about waking up.
Okay, so okay? nandyan na naman yung bundok. Malayo pa daw, sabi ni tita. I think behind that mountain. Maybe an hour. What is it? Is it thunder? I heard something.
Sabi ko nga yan.
Look at my hair. It's windy. So, we're almost there. Hopefully. Oh, they're complaining. Mga pagod na nga ito. Not yet daw. Yes, you like the air? Nandyan ka na naman dito sa top of the mountain. But guys, it's dangerous actually here, look. It's bangin. Pero mag-ingat ka lang. Oh, because that one goes to the lake. So we have to go right. Oops. Okay, let's go daw.
Saan daan?
What daan is there? Dito dapat pala. Sa ridge. So let's go guys, check it out kung ano yung view. Talaga naman dinadayo to dito sa Amerika. Yes, Mount Baker. You're amazing. So, sulit guys. And I can see na may mga backpackers dun sa baba. Talagang nandito yung kanilang mga tent. So, maganda naman siya. Parang creamy yung lake. One. Yung isa frozen. The bigger one. The third one. Wow.
Yun ang big.
Yeah. But that's different, tita. Yun na ata yung parang pinakakaya. So, there you go. Enjoy the view guys kasi mahaba pang lalakbayin natin pauwi. So, this is a hard hike now. Our first plan is only like 10 kilometers going to the Chin Lake. But randomly, we're here, additional 11 miles. So it's like... Actually guys, our plan is just to hike Chin Lake, which is 10 kilometers round trip. But this is a very good choice na nag-continue kami here sa Ptarmigan Ridge, which is additional 19 kilometers. Napaka worth it niya, at kung alam lang namin sana nagdala na kami ng tent dito, then we can overnight kasi the view is very amazing. And then I can't imagine na pag mag-wake up early in the morning na ganito yung view mo. But anyway, enjoy naman ito. So 10 kilometer plus 19. So today we hiked total of 29 kilometers, at ito na nga yung aming reward sa yung experience namin sa Canada na nag-hike. So today talagang na-surprise din kami kasi ang dami na naming mga bundok na nakikita, and then we're thinking na yun na yung ridge pero hindi pa pala. So if I'm not mistaken, mga 4, 5, 6 bundok yung nadaanan namin na akala namin yan na yun, but hindi pa pala. So since may time pa naman, so nag-continue lang kami, and then I asked one of the hikers. Sa kanya ko nalaman na this is 19 kilometers round trip kasi this is very unplanned. Wala talaga ito sa research ko, but it's a good thing talaga na nakarating kami dito. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy watching this video.